Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter. These type of questions will also helpful you ICSE, CBSE, all state exams and competitive exams also. So today I wanted to explain you this question. That question is, find the value of a if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 represents a circle. You can find also find its radius for the given circle. So aims to success, super shortcut tips tricks solution. First of all, I want to write a given equation of the circle. 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. To get a constant value of a, I wanted to tell you shortcut. To get a value, x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. This is a shortcut to get a coefficient constant a. So x square coefficient from the given circle is 2 is equal to y square coefficient is a. Why? Because I will tell you, in standard equation of the circle, x square coefficient and y square coefficient is 1. So they are equal in standard equation of the circle. According to that concept, you to find a value, you can take this concept, x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. So we got a value. Again substitute in this equation of the circle. So we get 2x square plus a value is 2 into y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So according to our standard equation of the circle, x square coefficient and y square coefficient should be 1, but here we are having 2, so divided by 2. Total equation of the circle divided by 2. We get, what is that answer? 2x square by x square is x square plus 2y square by y square is y square minus 3 by 2x plus 2 by 2 cancelled, y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is standard equation of the circle. Here you can check it, x square coefficient, y square coefficient is 1. We get comparing x coefficients, 2g is equal to minus 3 by 2 implies g is equal to this 2 coming to this side, multiply with 2, we get g value minus 3 by 4, and y coefficient is 2f and here y coefficient is 1. This 2 is coming to this side, we get f is equal to 1 by 2, and next constant value is c, and in this equation of the circle constant is minus 1 by 2. We have completed g value, f value and c value. What shall we find? Find its radius. So no need to write here center, but if in any question if they ask center formula is minus g comma minus f. So g value minus 3 by 4 minus g value minus of minus 3 by 4 comma f value 1 by 2 minus f value minus 1 by 2. You can simplify minus of minus plus 3 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2 is center of the circle. Next what shall we find? Radius. To get radius, what is the formula? R is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. So R is equal to under root of g value is minus 3 by 4 whole square plus f value is 1 by 2, f square value 1 by 2 whole square, minus c value minus 1 by 2, minus c value minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Normal simplification, we get under root of minus whole square is plus 3 3s are 9 by 4 square 4 4s are 16 plus 1 square is 1 1s are 1 by 2 square is 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 2. Normal simplification, r is equal to under root of, what is LCM? Denominator 16 4 2, so 16 is LCM, 16 is 16, so matching numerator 9 you can write as it is. In 4 table 16 4 times it is going, so 4 into numerator value 1, 4 1s are 4, plus 2 table 16 8 times, 8 into numerator 1, 8 1s are 8, so this can be written as 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8 21 by 16. This under root value split it into numerator and denominator. We get root 21 by root 16. Root 21 divided by root 16 is 4, is the radius of the given circle. Same model, I wanted to explain you one more question. That question is find the values of a comma b if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 represents a circle. Also we can find the center and radius of the given circle. So now I wanted to write given circle is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here I wanted to find a value first. So to get a value, already I told you previous, x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. X square coefficient is a equal to y square coefficient is 3. We got a value, and next to get b value. To get b value, actually in standard equation of the circle we are having x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 only. We are not having xy coefficient or xy term. So xy term means that value is 0, xy coefficient is 0. So to get to b is xy coefficient. So here coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Coefficient of xy is equal to 0. What is the coefficient of xy? B is equal to 0. Why are you taking coefficient of xy is equal to 0 to get b value? In standard equation of the circle we are not having xy term. That's why coefficient of xy is equal to 0. After getting a and b values, you can substitute in that given equation of the circle. So that equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 is equation of the circle, that is given value. So we got a value, substituting here. A is 3x square plus b is 0 into xy plus remaining value will be same, 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is 3x square, 0 into something 0, no need to write, plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. According to our given standard equation of the circle, x square coefficient is y square coefficient. X square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient, that value is equal to 1, but here we are having coefficient is 3. So total equation of the circle divided by 3. We get x square, 3x square by 3 is x square, plus 3y square by y3 is y square, minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 3 by 3 cancelled, minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. We get 2g, x coefficient is 2g is equal to, here x coefficient is minus 5 by 3. To get g value, 2 coming into right side multiplying with 3 in denominator. So minus 5 by 6 value is g. And next, comparing with y coefficients, y coefficient is 2f and y coefficient is 2 by 3. Cancellation, 2 get cancelled, remaining f equal to 1 by 3. And last constant term c is equal to, constant term is minus 1. So we got g value, f value and c value. Next, what shall we find? Center and radius. So already I told you previously, center of the circle is minus g comma minus f is equal to minus g value is minus 5 by 6 comma f value is 1 by 3. So minus f value minus 1 by 3. Normal simplification, minus into minus plus 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3 is the center of the circle. And last one, we want to find radius. Radius formula r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c equal to under root of g value minus 5 by 6, g square value minus 5 by 6 whole square, plus f value 1 by 3, f square value 1 by 3 whole square, minus c value minus 1, minus c value minus of minus plus 1. So normal simplification, r is equal to minus whole square is plus 5 square is 5 5 is 25 by 6 square 6 6 is 36 plus 1 square is 1 by 3 square 3 3 is 9 plus 1 is same. Next, I wanted to take LCM. 36, 9, 1 is 1 by 1. So 36 LCM. 9 4s are 36. So directly 36 is LCM. 36 is matching. So numerator value you can write as it is 25. 9 table 4 times 36. 9 4s are 36. That 4 into numerator value 1. 4 1s are 4. Plus 1 table 36. How many times? 36 times. 36 into numerator 1, 36. So next, r is equal to under root of 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 plus 25 is 65 by 36. This root value you can split it into numerator and denominator. We get root 65 by root 36. So root 65 by root 36 value is 6 is the radius of the given circle. Ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Hi my dear friends and students, if you wanted to get like these type of more and more super shortcut tips, tricks, solutions, you can verify playlist from the description box. It is in below. Otherwise you can check in my channel Aims Dare to Success YouTube channel. So many super shortcut tips, tricks, solutions playlists are there, and previous questions chapter wise as well as subject wise also. So many previous year questions are there, VIP papers. You can check and you can practice. I wish you all the very best my dear friends and students. Thank you very much. To get success, a friend in need ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.